This weekend's powerful winds have ramped up the fire risk across the state. This as crews work to clean up damage from fallen trees and power lines, including this Hopkinton church, where an uprooted tree cut right through the roof. Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining us at 11. I'm Ken McLeod. We have team coverage on the damage caused by these powerful winds. Let's go ahead and get started with WBZ's Samantha Cheney.
Okay, so this is where we can see the damage.
Bill Kulba is left picking up the pieces inside the sanctuary at Woodville after destruction hit Hopkinton Friday.
Well, so initially I didn't know what to expect.
Around 11:30 in the morning, he said he got a phone call.
It was a quick call and I was away.
Saying a tree had fallen through the roof of his church.
When you walked in, what was your thought?
Well, my thought was, wow, this was a big tree.
Gusty winds sent the tree tumbling down, crashing directly into the building, leaving a massive hole in its roof.
But it looks still pretty scary.
It's pretty scary.
So the damage here inside of this spiritual center is pretty bad. As you can see behind me, there's pieces of drywall that came crashing down. There's even branches here on the ground. And if you take a closer look through the ceiling, you can see outside.
And Bill, all of this was because of the wind.
The wind.
A destructive breeze that's been causing havoc across Massachusetts.
And as I was going down the road, all of a sudden my car, it felt like it was being shaken by the wind.
While responding to wires down on Brook Trail Friday afternoon, Fire Chief Neil McPherson says the gusty wind is what stopped him in his tracks.
And I saw branches, small branches dropping on the car. And then as I stopped,
just moments later,
all of a sudden I hear an implosion right in my car.
A massive tree fell on top of his SUV, barely missing him.
So, I think that the best way to describe it was nothing short of just totally stunned at what had occurred.
Fortunately, neither one of these men were hurt by the damage of the wind.
So a lot of amazing miracles that happened here because none of the cars were damaged in the parking lot. Everybody got out.
Kulba says it's a blessing.
So I didn't know what the extent of the damage would be.
Because although it looks bad, he says things could have been a lot worse. In Hopkinton, Samantha Cheney, WBZ News.